if you like fragrances like Green Irish Tweed, fragrances like Nautical Voyage, what else? Fragrances like Cool Water, anything that is fresh, anything that is slightly green, a fragrance that you can rock anytime, any day, anywhere. Stick around because I believe that Citizen Jack Alpine is the perfect fragrance for you. And this is completely blind buy safe, blind buy worthy, to be honest. This is something that anyone can add to their collection. First of all, shout out to Michael Malul London for sending this one over to me. I appreciate it. This is honestly a goal slash a dream for me to work with a brand like this. I believe that they have something for everyone, and most of their fragrances, you could literally rock them again, any place, anytime, anywhere. Let's get into the review. Yes, I did shave my beard off. Trying to let everything grow evenly. And also, today's review, I'm not going to be doing any edits. So I'm going to try my hardest to be direct and make the points hit without having to stutter a lot or slow on my words. But let's get right into it. So we're going to go over some of these notes at first. So the top notes are bergamot and cassava melon. Now, you definitely get that melon opening, bright, citrus, fresh opening. This is a fragrance, right? That as soon as you spray it, it's going to hit you with that, what I call that wow factor. Because it's just super bright in the opening. Super fresh, instantly grabs you in. It puts you in that mood like, okay, I'm fresh. Like if you were to be on your way to work, I feel like this is the perfect fragrance. You put this on in the car or before leaving the house. You head out, you feel fresh, clean. Definitely masculine, you know. I know that anyone can wear any fragrance, but I would say for a man, this is perfect. The mid is sage, lavender, jasmine, and that adds to that overall fresh, clean vibe that you get from this fragrance. The base is amber, patchouli, and sandalwood. So, what I smell, right? I smell, like I said, a bright, fresh, citrusy opening, but it quickly turns green, like very quickly, but not like vegetable green, not like grassy green. It's just that green, manly, fresh, almost soapy, maybe a touch of powdery. It kind of also reminds me of a fragrance like Chanel Allure Homme Sport. I'm not saying that this is a cologne or even an inspired by. I'm just saying that it's that same vibe. It's that same lane of fragrance. I feel like for the working man, this is the perfect scent. Blue collar worthy. Blue collar men are going to love this type of fragrance. Um, this is not something that you need to worry about. It's not something that you need to really unpack. It kind of just you spray it on and you just smell amazing. These fragrances like these guys, this stuff just works. These type of fragrances, they just work on your day to day. You don't really need to put too much thought into it. Now, when it comes to longevity, I did get a full 8 hours out of this one. I'm not gonna lie, I did reapply, but it's because I wanted to smell that opening again. You know, it's just very fresh, very inviting. And I created a short on this fragrance, whether or not it would be in my collection. This is definitely in my collection. And I feel like this scent has a charming essence to it. It's a very charming scent for what it is. For something so simple, not in a bad way. I know a lot of people hear simple and they're like, boring. No, no, no. Simple in the best way possible. Blue collar in the best way possible. But I feel like even a businessman, even a CEO can rock a fragrance like this. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer. But I feel like right now in spring, this just hits different. So yeah, longevity about 8 hours. Like I said, I did reapply because I wanted to smell that opening again. When it comes to projecting, this is something that projects. I'm gonna say anywhere from like 5 to 6 feet. People are gonna smell you. They are gonna tell you man, you smell really good today. Me being known as a fragrance guy, everyone told me that smell this on me. That smells really good. You smell really good today. Really clean, put together. Age range, any man, 18 to 100. Once again, thank you for Michael Malul London for sending this one over. This is a fragrance that I am keeping in my collection. And when I run out of this bottle, I will be picking up another bottle of this. Today, I actually have to take my daughter to her softball practice, her first day. This fits those vibes 100% perfectly. Thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this fragrance or not, if you have it in your collection. And if you haven't, then you should go get it. By the way, they sent this to me when it was still unreleased. So if you haven't been keeping up with my shorts, hopefully I didn't just break the bottle. Watch my shorts. I am doing more short form content. I feel like I get more views. I feel like I get the message across faster and it's more engaging. People have been figuring out what scents they like through my shorts, not through my shorts, but my shorts have been helping them or exposing them to different things when it comes to fragrances. So yeah, turn those short notifications on. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I've also been doing more lifestyle content. And yeah, once again, shout out to Michael Malul. Thank you guys. And I hope you guys have a blessed Sunday. Peace.